Qualifying a cable to ensure safe handling, consistent performance, and reliability in high-power prototypes takes engineering and purchasing time, obstructing innovation and slowing down the design cycle. Molex Off-The-Shelf HyperQube Cable Assemblies, available from Mouser Electronics, are rated for 120 amps and 1000 volts DC and designed for use with Molex HyperQube connectors. Together, the cable assemblies and connectors provide a high power density option that is color-coded to guide installation and touch-proof and finger-safe when mated to ensure safe operation. Off-the-shelf HyperQube cable assemblies are available with dual-ended connectors or with a single connector and pigtail. They're crimped using an automated press, eliminating the performance and reliability issues of hand crimping. The cable assemblies are 1 meter in length and available with 2, 4, or 6 AWG cable and blue, black, or natural color connector housings.